A rich merchant lived in a village with his 7 sons. The sons were always quarreling with each other. One day, the merchant called together all his sons. 7 bundles of sticks were lying by his hand. The merchant said to them, "All of you are very proud of your strength. Today, I want to test your strength." One of the sons said, "We are indeed powerful." The merchant said, "Then break this bundle of sticks." The eldest son used all his strength to break the bundle, but he was not able to do so. All of them tried their best, but were unsuccessful. On this, the merchant said, "Now untie the bundles and break the sticks one by one." The sons were able to break the sticks. They understood the strength of unity. Moral: united we stand, divided we fall.